Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a private safe for files on your Realme 16 Pro Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the private safe in the settings. We're going to go to settings and scroll down to security and privacy. Here we want to scroll down and we will have special features. We got a private safe and we need to set a privacy password first. So we're gonna set a password. I'll use 123456, and you shouldn't be using this password because it's really easy to guess, but since I'm the only one that will use the phone and I will not bring it outside of my home, then I can easily go over and just put it like this. So here we have the recovery email, so it doesn't really matter what email you put here, but if you're scared about losing stuff, you can confirm it. And here we can use fingerprint or face recognition. Here we have the images and videos. We can add the items from here. So for example, I'll select 8 photos. We're gonna set them as private, and you can delete the private photos from Google Photos. So let's click OK. Now they're all here, and whenever you go back to photos, they won't be here. So we got some old pictures, but they are not here. The flowers are gone and they're only in the private safe. So I'll use a fingerprint. We got 8 items, and that's how you guys can do that. So let's go over and let me show you the private safe now. Let's go and get rid of, let's say, this video right here. We're gonna unlock it and we're gonna save to the original location. Now we go back here and we should see the video once we maybe restart the app, but it's definitely here. It is, and that's how you guys can do that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.